Hello everyone and welcome back. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to import and play animation from another character. Then we will make something happen when the player touches the ground. Let's get started. First, let's download free animations from Mixamo and import them into our project. So let's type mixamo.com. Head over to characters and we're going to use this character, Maria. First we need to do is download the character. So leave settings as they are, click download, and go to the location where you have downloaded the file. I will put this on my desktop. I will name this Mixamo. I'm going to open a new folder, animations, and I'm going to move the file I have just downloaded. This is the model. Now before importing, let's rename the file so we'll know this is the one that we have imported. So I'm just going to call this Maria. And now when you go back to Mixamo, with the character selected, go to animations. Now if you click any animation, we're going to play over here. Now for this tutorial, we're going to need standing to H. We're going to use this one. So leave the settings as they are over here. Go to download. So you have to click here without skin. This is because we have downloaded the character already. So all we need is this animation. And leave everything else as it is. Click download. So get the animation we have just downloaded and put it back in the folder we have just opened in the animations. And let's rename this Standing Magic. Okay, so first to import this in the engine, open the content drawer. And let's open up a new folder over here. I'm going to name this Mixamo. Open it up. Let's open another folder. I will name this Maria. Open the folder. So first we're going to import the model. So click and drag the model inside the content folder. So make sure these are the settings like this. And click import all. You can ignore this message, it's not important. Open the content drawer. And make sure to save all. Now let's reorganize this. First, let's see if this is working properly. Okay, everything is fine. Now let's make another folder. Materials. So get the material and move it inside. And another folder for the textures. Just select these two, actually these three, and click and drag inside the textures and move. Now another folder for the animations. Now open the folder and go to your folders we have downloaded. So get the magic animation. Now this is very important when you're importing animations. For the skeleton, you can click over here. And if you have here a lot, that's why it's important to have a proper naming. So if you don't see this Maria first, you can type it over here. So Maria skeleton. And now the animation is going to be imported directly onto this skeleton. Because first we have imported the mesh, the skeleton, and then without skin, only the animation is going to apply for that skeleton. Now import all, and let's save all. Let's double click to test it. Okay, this is the animation we need. Now let's right click and go to Retarget Animations. So for the target skeleton, click and drag all the way down. So SKM Queen. Now double click on this animation we have just downloaded. So this is how you are importing and retargeting animations from another character onto our character. So export animations. So go to main and click animations. This is our folder, and go export and uncheck this and click export. Now this window is going to be open over here. Let's close it now. Now let's see if our animation works properly. Go to main, animations. Let's save it first. And here is standing magic, double click. And here is our character playing that animation.